Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the dancing shoes puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Gopit Kiam and made by Taze Puzzles. Difficulty level of the dancing shoes puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 5 parts into the frame. As you can see, the frame has two colors, black and red, and it is a throwback to a very famous black shoe with a red bottom. And the puzzle, dancing shoes, has its name from the shape of these 4 parts. They look like shoes, but there is also word dancing, which came from the solution. Once you find it, you will find why the puzzle has its name. The puzzle is quite interesting with a very beautiful solution, but quite tricky, since if you try to put all parts into the frame, like you can put these parts here, this one for example goes here, and then you try to put the last piece, there is no space for the white part. You can try to rearrange them, but again you will end up with no space for the white piece. But once you find the correct solution, you will also find why the puzzle has its name. It's a very beautiful solution and very nice puzzle. If you like the dancing shoes puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. The solution is quite simple once you know it, but it is also very beautiful. You have to put 4 shoe looking parts inside the frame like that, but there is no space for the last piece since the shoes didn't start dancing. But now you can move the parts. You start rotating them, which seems impossible at a first glance, but it is possible. You just rotate the parts inside the frame this direction, and as you can see, they are moving. Then you move them a little bit more until you will have just enough space in the middle to fit the last piece. That is the solution of the puzzle. Isn't it beautiful? It is a very nice solution, and it really looks like the pieces are dancing inside the frame. To remove the parts, you just remove the white piece, then you move all these parts together so that you will close the gap in the middle, and then you rotate them until you will be able to remove all the parts from the frame. And that is how you solve the dancing shoes puzzle. Great puzzle, beautiful solution, and a nice addition to any puzzler's collection. If you like the dancing shoes puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.